magandang umaga po muli sa inyo. Alam nyo, dumako na tayo kanina sa mga iba't ibang business tulad ng gift wrapping, pati ang spa na pag-usapan na rin natin. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa pinaka-paborito ko for obvious reasons. Yeah, at talagang masarap talaga kasi cakes yan eh. Okay? So kakausapin po natin ang may-ari ng isang napaka-successful na cakes business na si Miss Trisha Feliciano Castrodes, owner of Little Cakes Factory. Magandang
Hi, lovely. Good morning.
Yes, so cakes, no? Pero in particular, cupcakes.
Yes.
So why cupcakes?
Well, cupcakes are fun, diba? They're fun to look at, they're fun to make, they're fun to eat. So, parang when you see a cupcake, the automatic reaction of a person is, wow, cupcakes, diba?
Parang
and then
the
kid, yes, the child in you. So it's so much fun. But you know, we're venturing on cupcakes now. But yes, of course, we also have future plans for Little Cakes. But right now, we're concentrating on selling gourmet cupcakes.
Gourmet cupcakes.
Yes.
Pero Trisha, this cupcake business of yours is a little different in the sense that this is web-based.
Yes, we are web-based.
Tell us more about this.
Yes, Little Cakes is the first ever web-based cupcakery here in the Philippines. We don't have a shop, so we're really tapping the market of the ever-growing internet users. And also, we want to spare the people from the hassle of traffic, going to the mall, you know, the stress of and buying it themselves. So we're offering the service that we deliver the cupcakes to them fresh because we only bake as they order.
Yeah, yun ang advantage nun, ano? Kasi you bake as we order.
Yes.
So meaning talagang fresh ito and hindi yung mga tira-tira na lang or leftovers, di ba?
Right.
Okay, ngayon yung sinasabi nating order time, no, or yung lead time pag-order nito, gaano katagal na kailangan i-place ang order in advance para ma-deliver niyo?
We usually require 3 days in advance.
3 days?
Yes.
That's very reasonable.
In case na bigla na lang nilang maisipan na parang gusto ko ng cupcake ngayon. So they can still call and we will tell them if we can do something about it or kung kakayanin pa namin, we will do it. We will bake the cupcakes for them. Sasabihin naman namin sa kanila kung kaya namin or hindi. But we encourage them to order 3 days in advance. So that we can also schedule the delivery.
Work on the cupcakes.
Yes, that's right. Yes,
that's right. Those are beautiful cupcakes.
Thank you. Talagang pinaghihirapan namin bawat isa kasi we want to make it really nice, nice to taste and nice to look at also. Yes.
Do you do personalized cupcakes?
Yes.
Halimbawa ako, mahilig ako sa let's say, jewelries or let's say, kung ano-ano or mga kikay things, no? Pwede bang ilagay nyo yun sa cupcake?
Yes, that's what's also nice about cupcakes. Pwede mong gawin kahit ano. Yung creative part of a person, pwede mong ilagay dun sa cupcakes. Yes, we do that, especially for birthdays, and we also make cupcake trees or cupcake towers for weddings,
patong-patong,
special events, and corporate events. So, personalized, we can do that also. But for what you can see in the website is yung usual flavors namin, which we call our little ones. So, you can see it there already. And then, if you want any of those flavors, you can just click on the picture or the thumbnail, and then it's already an order form. Just put there when you like it, how many you like, and what time you want it delivered and where do you want it delivered.
Ayun, all the information.
Yes, all the information.
Okay, ngayon Ms. Trisha, ilang pieces ng cupcakes para makapag-order? Ano yung minimum? Kasi syempre magde-deliver kayo, di ba?
Right.
So kailangan may minimum yan. So ilan ang minimum?
There's a minimum order of one dozen per flavor. Yeah, but you have an option if you like it in a box of 12 or a dozen, or you can also divide it into two boxes of 6. So that's still a dozen. So if you want to eat 6 of them, and you want to give away the other one, that's okay with us. So just let us know, put it there in the order form, and we'll do something about it. We'll take care of it.
And Ms. Trisha, ito naman yung pinaka-importanting question kasi syempre, like ako, no, medyo kuripot ako. Magkano naman yan?
It's actually very reasonable. For the vanilla, which is usually what the kids like because of the colors, it's a 460. And for the chocolate, which is one of our best sellers,
that's a dozen already.
A dozen already, yes.
Wow, that's very reasonable.
Yeah, so if you divide it in 2, you have gifts for 2 already. Yes, that's right. And for the triple chocolate, which is our best seller, it's 550. All of these information they can see also in the website. So they can choose kung ano yung kasya sa budget nila and anong gusto nilang flavor.
Okay. So do you have any plans of putting up a shop talaga?
Yes,
like,
yes.
Hindi lang sa web or sa internet?
Yeah,
May future plans ba na
in the
ganon?
future, yes. But right now, we're really targeting, this is what our business model will be for now. We will be web-based. We will be targeting the internet users. And also, we will also be tapping the people from outside the Philippines, like the OFWs or the other people who have loved ones here in the Philippines. They want to send cupcakes. They want to send them as gifts. Yes, that's also one of our plans in the following weeks.
Yeah, actually magandang idea yan, ano? Kasi minsan, di ba, when you're overseas, tapos halimbawa Christmas or birthday, parang ang hirap naman magpapadala ka pa, di ba? So, pwedeng kayong tawagan or pwedeng
email,
email, and then pwedeng yung i-deliver, tapos, arrange na lang, bank to bank or whatever,
or credit card payment. Yes, that's
ang
right.
ang ganda ng idea. Okay, so, speaking of flavors, what are your best sellers? At saka, ano ba yung mga talagang flavors ninyo? Do you have like fancy flavors as well?
Oh, yeah.
So can you give us a rundown?
Yeah, a rundown. Well, the vanilla is the favorite of kids and also for birthday parties because it's very easy to put decorations on, put letterings on. So there's
saan dyan yung vanilla?
This is the vanilla, the ones with different colors,
so
pastel colors.
All right.
We call it Ella Vanilla.
Ella.
Yes. And then this one is more for older people because it's chocolate bake. It's a chocolate cake with coffee buttercream. So there's coffee in it. So
kaya yun.
Medyo just pang adult siguro yan. But still with a sprinkle with the topping of with chocolate chips. And then the triple chocolate. The triple chocolate is usually sprinkled with white chocolate shaving. But right now, since it's Christmas, we're putting Christmas decorations on it, so it will be very nice to give us Christmas gifts. And also, this is peanut butter. It's still chocolate cake with a peanut butter frosting, buttercream frosting with peanut butter candy on top of it. So this is our box of 6 and our box of 12. So this is how it will. Yes, this is how it looks. So if they order, this is what they can expect. It's already ready to be given as a gift. So no need to do anything. Yes, that's what we wanted. We want them, pagdating sa kanila, either kainin nila or pwede nilang ibigay. Just put a card or just write on it or something.
Yeah.
So,
okay, Ms. Trixiana, just to backtrack a bit, what started you out in the cupcake business in the first place? Like, do you bake? Do you bake this yourself? Or?
Yes, I do. Baking is something that I really do. I don't get tired of baking. Yeah, even if I
stressing.
Yeah, that's right. Pero yun, I really, it's a passion for baking that it's what keeps me doing it.
And you know what? Okay, speaking of passion, I think sa kahit na anong negosyo, yun ang secret na yun ang passion mo. Kaya nga, kita mo, like your business, it's very successful, obviously. So thank you so much, Ms. Tricia, and we hope to invite you again soon. And for our last words, no, sa ating televiewer, can you tell us kung saan yung email address mo or yung web address mo para if they want to order?
Yes. I'd like to encourage everyone to please visit www.littlecakesfactory.com or text 0922-824-6810. But visit the website so that you can see all the flavors and all the other products that we are offering.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, lovely.
Thank you. At ngayon naman po mga kaibigan, bago tayo dumako dun sa pinangako natin na talagang Beyonce experience, magko-commercial muna tayo. Magbabalik po muli ang Chika.
Parami ng parami ang bilib sa GSIS eCard Plus sa Los Angeles, California.
This will be very convenient for all of us who are abroad.
Sa GSIS eCard Plus, talagang ang sarap ng buhay.
ating sarili lamang ang isipin. Kaya ito ang aking hiling. Sana, sana, sarili ay ayusin na para makatulong sa katulad ng PCSO.
Ang gatas ng aso ay para sa tuta. Ang gatas ng baboy ay para sa biik. Ang gatas ng baka?
Para sa anak ko? Hindi hayop ang anak ko.
Tapos ang ating 1 hour of chikahan here, and I hope we were able to entertain all of you, especially with that Beyonce coverage. But in the meantime, balik po tayo sa napaka-amazing lineup namin this Friday morning. Siyempre, our beautiful people from Wrap It Up, from Soneva Spa, and of course, Little Cakes. On a final note, meron naman kami gusto itanong. Dahil siyempre, hindi lang puro business ang buhay.
So, kasi siyempre, no, first and foremost, mga mothers kayo.
Yes.
So how do you divide your time between being a mother and a business person or a businesswoman? Anyone?
I think ang isang kagandahan din with having your own business is that ikaw din ang pumipili ng time mo eh. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng allowance for your children, for your family. Yung trabaho mo, pwede mong gawin sa bahay, even with your kids around. Yes. Or sometimes, I take them to where I go.
Ini-expose mo na sila as early as now sa business.
How about Trisha? Actually, for me, it's really ideal now, no? Because I do my work while my kids are there watching TV beside me. Yes, and they do, and they love watching me do it, especially the frosting and the sprinkles. I have 2 girls, and they're my #1 fan. They eat my cupcakes. Miss Marty.
For me, as a working mom, time management. I have to work, to wake up early in the morning for my kids, and then
go to work.
Well, syempre naman, not just moms ang factor dito. Because nakakatuwa na Miss Trixie over here is also helping out, and is the daughter of Miss Chicky. Trixie, what can you advise the younger ones out there na how can they help and if not start up their life in business?
Especially pag yun nga, may business yung family mo, yung mother mo, it will be nice if you get yourself exposed, if you get yourself involved with the business, and then you learn from your mom, and then there you just learn everything from her.
And eventually, kasi sa mga anak din naman pupunta yung negosyo.
And they really will take it further. Kasi syempre, sila yung future.
Yes.
And you can never be too surprised na lalo na sa mga bata, you just generate so many great ideas. You will definitely push it further. Syempre, from the foundation of the parents down to the future ng mga kids. So on that note, bago po kami paalam, we would like to say thank you to all our wonderful guests.
Thank you so
Miss
much.
Chicky and Trixie, Miss Trisha and Miss Marty. At the same time, gusto ko po mag-personally hi sa lahat ng mga tao sa Tiendesitas. Hi! Kayo nung Wednesday. And lahat po sila sabi, Chika!
Talaga? Hi!
Nice to know you guys are watching.
Yes. And Isa, I also like to thank our Team's Benefit, Uncle Sam. Thank you so much. And yan, mga nanonood din yan mga yan. And manunood pa dahil mag-o-open ang kanilang mga salons. And of course, hi to Sharon and Fashion Exchange sa Connecticut Street, Green Hills for my outfit. No?
There you go. Baka makaguess pa natin ang inyong mga salon.
Yeah, oo, yung mga salon nila, Uncle Sam. Okay.
In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed our Friday edition of Chika. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget, pagdating po ng Lunes, alam nyo na kung anong channel, NBN4, alas 8 uli ng umaga. Ako po si Isa Leton.
And Lovely Rivero.
Ito po ang Chika!
Thank you very much.